Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to show you some ideas that I have for gift wrapping, and we're going to do it together. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is when you need to wrap a gift, like slippers, that are a weird shape. I'm going to go ahead and just measure it out first. Make sure we have enough. Next, you're going to fold it over and tape it right in the middle and fold it up, and then you're going to separate the two pieces and fold it down, and you are going to create a diamond. So it'll look just like, let me flip this around really quick, you guys, so you can see. It is going to look just like this. Then you're going to fold this over, fold this over, and then we're going to go ahead and tape it in place. Flip it over, and what I like to do is fold it a little tiny, like ½ an inch, and then fold it over just like this. And we'll go ahead and put a little tape right here. So it's just taped right there. And put two little holes in here. You want to center them. So here I did like 2½ squares, and I'm going to do about the same right here. I'm going to go ahead and fold it over like this, and then I'm going to fold it once more so it's in fours. And you're doing that, and we'll fold it once more because we want to be able to get it through the hole. Okay? So this will come right through here. Then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And then we're going to put it through the hole, pull it, and go ahead and tie it. And then you can go ahead and put these two together, an angle just like this, and that is to make the tails the same size. We're going to center it right in the middle, and I'm going to do a little piece of the double-sided tape right here. You want to leave like a little, like maybe ½ an inch. Next, you just want to peel off the other side of the tape. So you're going to go ahead and take the other side of the tape off. Okay, so you want to use double-sided ribbon. Okay, you're going to go ahead and leave a little bit at the bottom, like a little ½ inch. And we're just going to do loops, and then you start to get smaller as you get closer to the top, just like a tree. The next thing is wrapping the gift with craft paper again, and I'm going to use some string that I have, and I'm going to create like a little design, kind of like this. I'm going to use Elmer's glue stick because even though it goes on purple, the color when it dries, you don't see it. So let's just kind of put a little bit here. The ornaments and the stocking are print and cut. Okay, so this one is wrapped in craft paper again, and I got a little strip that I'm going to add a little layer of color. Okay, now you're gonna go ahead and fold it over, and you want the part, the decorative part to show. I'm going to staple it. Okay, so far we have this. Now we're going to do another one.